Hello guys, welcome to AS Video. Today we are going to learn about table in HTML. Let's start. Let's give title learning about table. We write the code of table in body part. For table we have a HTML tag called table tag. When we write table, a table will start, and inside table there are some components like rows, headers and columns. Okay, at first we have to start with row, that is with tr. This will make our first row. Okay, if we want to make 3 rows, then we have to write 3tr. We have to end this tr here, and we have to end this tr here. Okay, similarly another tr. Now inside tr, at first we have to make some heading for table. Okay, for heading we will write th, and in th, and how many column we want. If we want 3 column, then we have to write 3th. I will give headings in this way. At first we'll write first name, and in second heading we have last name, and third heading we have age. Okay, when you write this much, let's check it at first in our browser. This much line of code will give this output. Okay, here we have first name, last name and age. Now we'll write the value for these headings. For first name, let's make another column here with td. Okay, now we write td instead of th. We'll write td. This th will make this first name a bit bold. Okay, you can see here this is in bold letter, yes, but with td it will be in normal font. Okay, that will be in normal size. Okay, now let's close first td, and inside td we write first name Nischal, and another td write Neeraj. Yes. Okay, if we want no, you must use Nischal New Pani. Okay, and in this will be last name and another will be age. td for age we write 27. Okay, this will add a first row. Okay, let's check it out. This will give first name Nischal, last name Neupani and age 27. If you want to add another row, then we have to write td inside this row. Okay, another name we write Neeraj and td Mire. Similarly, another td for age, that is 26. Okay, this much will make our table complete. For now, when you refresh, we'll get in this way. If you like to make our table a bit longer or taking space for whole page, then you can write in this way also. You can add a style here. Style equals to double inverted comma. Inside that we write white colon 100%. This will take 100% width of our screen, and text align center will make the text in center. Let's check it out. In this way we will get our table in whole page. Now you can do more things like colors, background color. You can make blue. This way we will get our colorful table also. You can change the color of text to white. Okay guys, in this way we can make our table. Okay, this much for today. If you like my video, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.